Hello everybody, it's your friend Rigor Mortis and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I'm not gonna do a long introduction because I got a lot of other things that I do have to cover. So my previous video that I put out and a statement I've made in regards of World of Warcraft and the current state of my emotional traction towards the game and the whole nonsense Warcraft and Blizzard Activision has got themselves into. First of all, I want to start off by saying in this video, I'm not supporting anything that Blizzard Activision is getting involved with, what they are saying, and how they continue addressing the employees and us as gamers. As you can see in front of you, I already opened up World of Warcraft. I'm going to do the worst piece of shit that Warcraft could have ever brought to us, and that is Torghast. And yeah, so I'm going to continue playing World of Warcraft possibly until my subscription runs out. I cancelled my subscription yesterday, but also I have about 3 new guild members that has joined and fell through the applications. So it's my duty and obligation towards my guild that I've rebirthed from, that I had about for so many years, and I've rekindled it and restarted it on a new server when Shadowlands started. And I've just came too far, and I've done too much for the community in World of Warcraft to provide a safe home, a safe space for players to come and play in a non-toxic environment, and also progress in the game, and also helping them to get through the content and so on, and also support them with gold and so on. My guild, I've created this narrative that the Final Fantasy and other communities actually got it right. My members adores me. They play and follow my leadership, and it's my duty towards my guild to actually carry on and play the game alongside with them, because mainly that's why I'm still playing the game. It's not because Warcraft, the current state as it is an attraction emotionally and where I can wander off and do other things. World of Warcraft at the current state is fun because I'm having a blast with my friends, and I'm still going to continue playing the game. And I've visited the idea that Akelon has said on his stream, a South African streamer, and on his video diaries on YouTube, that we should support Activision Blizzard financially because of the players, of not the players, the workers, the devs there that hasn't been involved in this shenanigans and so on, that they are that they have some safety net to continue on doing the work they are doing. It is actually your responsibility, Activision Blizzard, to change your internal structure, the way you handle staff and clients at the same time, and how you produce content. That is your abilities that you have to change, your thoughts, your ways of working. And then you will see your product and your faith in your company will be restored when you are there for us, the players. If you support, give us service and a reason to come back online, other than just having friends online, because having friends is not always, I would say, consistent or valuable, or something that is long term. It's not always feasible because not all other guilds are like mine. It's festering and toxicity in general in games, such as Warcraft, and never learns from their mistakes. And it's your golden opportunity now, Activision Blizzard, to change your whole outlook on Warcraft as the community and how you deal with this mess you created, this scandal you created for the next few months. My guild will still continue playing World of Warcraft because we're supporting each other, not your game. We're not supporting Activision Blizzard. We're supporting our friends. I'm supporting my guild. and that's what I'm going to continue doing. And anyone that needs a guild, a place to belong, and they can't separate themselves from Blizzard, feel free to hop on our server called on Draenor EU. My guild's name is Act of Faith, and let's have a discussion and come join us and have fun and actually play the game with friends in a non-toxic environment. Okay, so let me hop on to my friends and say continue what we were doing and enjoy the stream. And if you see this video on a later date and so on, I'm not hypocritical. I know what I said and what I would have done. I'm not, my game over companies and still not going to support Activision Blizzard, and we're not going to fund or endorse any tournaments with Activision Blizzard games. As long as Blizzard is putting up such a bad reputation and business image. So my companies will still distance you. But I won't distance and break up friends because of you guys are a bunch of fucking assholes. Just get that straight. And anyone in the comments that want to say to me I'm a hypocrite, well, that's your opinion. And opinions are like assholes. Everybody has one. And if your opinions is such a way to criticize me for my decisions, you are a fucking asshole. You're none other than, not even better than Blizzard. And you're acting like a toxic asshole. Like Blizzard were doing. So, long story short, I would say do the noble thing and actually support the devs that worked hard on this game and actually the people that is earning a living from working really hard on a product despite of the situations they're finding themselves into. Nate Jones. Lol. Yeah, one of the new guild members. I think what I'm going to do, my friend, is /GGkick. No. By the way, Nate Jones in the chat, everybody. He's my new member, and he's actually taking credit for the reason why I am changing my opinion regarding Activision Blizzard and the game of World of Warcraft. He's the one that actually, a new member that saved my guild. So, good big thanks come out to you. Alright, so let me just end up this recording and I'll pop this last bit on YouTube. If you guys will see this recording on a different date and so on, always to remember to game with a smile on your face. And that is me saying this message to you all with lots of love and care. Cheerio.